Alright, now talk loudly. Tell me where we are. Loud. Where are we?
Say it! We're at the waterfall.
Where?
In his head.
There's a waterfall in your tent?
No, in his head.
There's a waterfall in your head?
Yes, we're in my dream world. Sorry.
Yeah, oh, we're in your dream world? Alright.
You could drink this. Seriously.
You gonna try and see if you get sick?
Well, let's see.
Yes. Really good.
Yeah, I'm gonna try.
You gonna stick your head under there and get your hair all wet?
I gotta take my shirt off.
No, just stick your head under.
Oh, okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. Oh, I'm sticking my head under. He told me to. He told me to. Don't down my pants.
Alright, now. What do we think of this place?
Cold.
No.
Cold.
Oh, yeah.
Very cold. 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 More cold than chili.
Yeah, get in there.
Oh. Get in here. That's what you did to me. Here, I'll get my back wet. I'm gonna take my shoes off. What?
Alright, any last words for our little movie?
No, except he's taking his shirt off.
What? Why did he do that?
Gotta get my back wet. Come on.
Are you taking a shower in the waterfall?
Woo!
Now, go.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
Oh,
Oh boy. Are you cold enough yet?
no.
Careful not to slip. Alright, so, Brian, stop. Right there. Tell me, how does that feel?
Oh, hey, how you doing?